Okay, this is the example of using decimal type. So as you can see, there's a text on restaurant bill with 6.25%. Then the bill amount is 37.45 cents. Then we are going to calculate the bill total. Then print the result on screen using decimal points. Okay, let's start with bill amount. Okay, bill amount 37.45. Instead of using the value here, we are going to use the decimal type. So we're going to say decimal. It means we have to import from decimal, import decimal. And then we're going to look at the text rate. Okay, text is 6.25. So I will say text rate. Again, this is 6.25, which is going to be 0.0625. Okay, we are going to use a decimal. Then text amount based on that calculation. So I will say text amount based on bill amount multiplied by text rate. Okay. Then total bill will be bill amount plus text amount. Okay, bill amount plus text amount. Of course, we like to print it using printed format. So here we're going to have a total bill, and we're going to use 2 decimal points. That's all you need. Here the bill amount, okay, 37.45, and then text, that is 6.25, and then the bill amount multiplied by text rate, that will be total amount. Then it's going to be a total bill, okay, bill amount plus text amount, and then we print, okay, total bill with 2 decimal points. So it's going to give us 39.79 cents. Okay, so this example will show you how to use a decimal type. Okay, that's it. Thank you.